Welcome back to the channel, good friends. Brian from Apex Detail. If you have WeatherTech mats or anything near the material, you know that they stain easily and they can be a chore to clean. I can give you a combination or a team here today that will clean and then protect and make them waterproof and stain proof. And these are the two right here. Blue Collar 2, my polysilazane spray, and right here, McKee's Floor Mat Rejuvenator. And you just need to spray the cleaner onto the rubber mat, agitate, and rinse. So let me get that done first. I'm going to use a drill brush, get in all the corners and the cracks and crevices of the mat to clean it properly. This combination is a great alternative to another popular combination from Chemi, the Green Star and Gummy Fix. This is going to be around the same price for this team. And you won't have the panel prep smell in the interior. And these will be non-slip, waterproof, and stain-free mats when we are finished here today. Okay, now you want the mats to be completely dry before the next step. So go ahead and clean the rest of the mats. Let the first few sit out in the sun, or you can use forced air to dry them properly, and then bring them inside. And it's time for the Blue Collar 2 treatment of the mat. Let me run a strip of tape down the middle so you see a 50-50 shot, because this will restore the look. It will make them look darker and richer. It will not make them look greasy and slippery and glossy. It'll just make them look better than new once again. Simply remove the cap from the Blue Collar 2 bottle. I have a microfiber applicator. You can use foam as well. And 3 dips from that bottle. 1, 2, 3 is enough for this size floor mat. Massage the product into the material. It will penetrate deep into the plastic, into the pores, and it will condition down deep. It will also cure and protect and make them waterproof and fight stains. Take your time and make sure the product is spread out evenly and applied evenly to each mat. No need to wipe off. It will self-level, and then let it cure an hour or so before throwing the mats into the vehicle. No odor, no slipperiness, a nice, clean, restored mat. And here with the tape removed, you can see the difference between the treated and untreated areas. And I just threw them outside. Let them cure outdoors for an hour or two. This will be a non-slip way to protect and waterproof those mats and really help to fight staining from mud, anything your shoes can pick up. And when they're finished, let me show you with the pressure washer here. There's going to be a huge difference. The unprotected, untreated area absorbs that moisture, absorbs water, and really anything that you track in with your shoes and your feet. And the protected side will repel water, dirt, melting snow, and other contaminants you could just dump off and rinse out easily. Very easy to dry naturally or with forced air. That's really all there is to it. Yet another team to care for those troublesome WeatherTech mats. They're great to have and a little bit of a chore to maintain and keep clean. There you go. This has been Brian from Apex Detail, and I'll catch you in the next video.